This is the first of the series of trainings targeted for the local language speaking people who have not really been exposed to the English language, right? So they might have studied, let's say, in a Kannada school or a government school, and basically their English needs improvement. So I had one of these neighborhood students who came to ask me about opportunities in reading, writing, sales, etc. So I tested her English writing skills. I gave her this phrase and asked her to correct it. So this is the answer she gave, right? Then I gave this phrase, and this is the answer she gave. Right? And again, I said this one and this one. So let's analyze this. So one thing is maybe this could be correct, provided if she had qualified it by this is the elephant, that I was talking about that I saw, right? Otherwise, the expected answer would have been this is an elephant, right? And of course, I think she has got this correct. So she's that. And but punctuation wise, she needs to learn that it has to be a question. And again, there are apple in my house. Obviously, she couldn't connect the plurals, right? But she did attempt it in a different way, which is good. So she converted it to a singular, right? So she said this is an apple, and she used the correct way to refer to apple, right? And so I think we need to check with her whether she understood it as a house and she didn't know the spelling of house, but she did know the synonyms, right? So you can see that this particular student knows a bit of synonyms where house and home are synonyms, and she knows a little bit of uh, the A and the this one, and she knows a bit of spellings, right? So in the next video, let's see another set of test phrases and the answers that we received, and let me wait for your feedback. Thank you.